Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best red dot cue ball is probably one of the most innovative tools for any billiards enthusiast. This cue ball, with its distinctive red dot, isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video will break down everything you need to know about the red dot cue ball, and how it can elevate your game. Number 5. GSE Billiard Training Cue Ball. This training cue ball is made from premium polyester resin. It's designed for exceptional scratch and impact resistance, ensuring a long-lasting shine. The ball is precision engineered for perfect roundness and balance. This design ensures superior playability and durability, making it a great choice for any player. It measures 2.25 inches in diameter and weighs 6 ounces. These specifications meet standard pool ball requirements, making it suitable for various games. This practice cue ball features 6 spots for training. The precise point division helps you learn how to strike the ball correctly, improving your game. This training ball is great for improving your skills. It's ideal for game rooms, bars, and sports matches, suitable for players of all levels. What we like. This cue ball is made with AAA grade Pro Cup material, ensuring durability and a professional feel. It also features exceptional scratch and impact resistance, so it can withstand intense play. If you're looking to improve your skills and visualize ball spin, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The ball is very accurate. The red dot is very helpful for aiming. The ball rolls true. Number 4. Aramith Super Pro Cup Cue Ball with 6 red dots. This regulation-size training cue ball is made with high-quality phenolic resin. It's designed for exceptional scratch and impact resistance, ensuring it lasts through countless games. The ball features 6 red dots, also known as a measles pattern. This design helps you visualize the rotation after each shot, improving your control. Practice judging the effects of side spin, topspin, and backspin. This allows you to fine-tune your technique and elevate your game. The ball adheres to the highest industry standards. It guarantees the right density, balance, diameter, roundness, glossiness, hardness, and weight. This cue ball is designed to help players of all skill levels. It measures 2 to 1/4 inches in diameter, perfect for enhancing your skills. What we like. This cue ball is crafted from high-quality phenolic resin, offering superior durability. The 6 red dots help you visualize the rotation after your shot. If you want to master cue ball control and practice spin techniques, this ball will be your best partner. What people say. Rolls great and love the red dots. Seeing the spin applied is a great teaching aid, assuming you are paying attention. If you miss, you will know why. This ball looks like it has a motor in it compared to the regular resin balls when it comes to applying English, and rolls true and accurately. Number 3. Billiard Training Cue Ball 5.72 cm red dot. This billiard cue ball is made of high-quality resin. It's designed to withstand impact and wear, ensuring it lasts through countless games and practices. The material is sturdy and reliable. The white pool ball features a bright gloss and meets international standards for roundness. It has a high hardness, ensuring optimal performance during impact. It measures approximately 5.72 centimeters and weighs about 169 g. The ball has 6 embedded dots, making it easy for players to pot and control. These spots help you learn how to strike the ball consistently. This allows you to visualize and master the spin. This pool cue ball has a red spot to help visualize the spin. It is perfect for training, helping you improve your skills and accuracy. Use it to elevate your game. This ball is great for game rooms, bars, sports matches, and leisure activities. It's suitable for players of all skill levels. Enjoy it with friends and family. What we like. This cue ball is made of high-quality resin material, ensuring durability and a consistent feel. The bright gloss and 6-dot design make it easy to visualize spin and improve your game. If you are looking for a ball that combines quality and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. Can't wait to start practicing with this ball. Sure, how it helps me to better my game. Number 2. Loto Pro Pool Cue Ball, Red. Introducing the Loto Pro Pool Cue Ball. This ball is designed for precision and enhanced performance on the pool table. It's the perfect choice for both casual players and serious enthusiasts. Crafted with AAA-grade materials, this cue ball ensures consistent roll and exceptional durability. You can rely on it to withstand countless games and maintain its high performance. It's built to last. The Loto Pro ball adheres to standard pool ball specifications, measuring 2 to 1/4 inches and weighing 6 ounces. This ensures compatibility with all standard pool tables and equipment. It's designed for a seamless playing experience. Featuring 6 strategically placed dots, this ball aids in aiming and shot accuracy. The dots provide a clear visual reference, helping you line up your shots with precision. This feature will improve your game. The striking red color adds a touch of style to your game. It's not just about performance, it's about looking good while playing. This ball will stand out on any table. What we like. This cue ball is a AAA-grade Pro Cup standard, ensuring a professional feel and consistent performance. The 6 dots on the ball help you visualize the spin and improve your game. If you are looking for a reliable and high-quality cue ball, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The ball is very accurate. The red dot is very helpful for aiming. The ball rolls true and is well balanced. Number 1. Lixada Cue Ball 57.2mm Billiard Training Ball. This case is designed to fit standard 2.2-inch billiard balls perfectly. It ensures a snug fit, keeping the ball secure and protected. This is ideal for players of all levels. The case features a reliable zipper to keep your cue ball safely inside. The zipper opens and closes smoothly, providing easy access while preventing accidental spills. It's a convenient and secure way to store your ball. The exterior is made of tough cloth, offering excellent protection against impacts. Inside, a soft lining cushions the ball, preventing scratches. This durable construction ensures a long lifespan for the case. The included carabiner allows you to easily attach the case to your bag or belt loop. This makes it simple to carry the ball wherever you go. It provides a secure and convenient carrying solution. You will receive one cue ball case, ready to protect your billiard ball. It's a simple, yet effective way to keep your cue ball safe and sound. Get yours today and enjoy peace of mind. What we like. This cue ball comes with a convenient case that fits standard-sized balls. The zipper design ensures the ball stays secure, and the carabiner makes it easy to carry. If you are looking for a cue ball with a case, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Performs as advertised. Very well made, easy to close with a cue ball inside. Shows trueness of stroke. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.